Hello children and welcome to the YouTube channel of Smt.R.S.Kalaria Primary School. From today we are going to start our revision of grammar subject in standard 4th. So today we will start with our first chapter, that is common and proper nouns. Before starting common and proper nouns, you should know what is a noun. Okay? So commonly what we say, noun is the name of person, place, animals or things. So here again I have written one definition for you. Nouns are words that name people, places, animals, things, ideas and emotions. When we study types of nouns, we will study one abstract type of noun. So in abstract nouns comes these ideas and emotions. So what is a noun? Noun is a naming word. It names what? Let us see. Names of people. It tells about names of places, animals, things. Things can also be said as objects, ideas and our emotions or feelings. Now let us see the types of nouns. First is a common noun. This you have already studied in your previous classes. The names of people, animals, places or things of the same kind are called common nouns. These should be of same kind. If we are talking about animals, so the animals of same kind, like here I have taken the example horse. All horses will be included in common nouns because they are of same kind. Similarly, we have few more examples. Let us see. Cup. All cups, all types of cups will be included in common noun. Then days, names of the days. Okay, when we say day, it is a common noun. But if we particularly talk about a particular day or special day, then it will be a proper noun. Horse, as I already said, all horses are included in common nouns. Then computers, all computers are computers, they are of same kind. Features may be different, but they are of same kind. Okay, so they are included in common noun. Then city, names of cities, all cities are of same kind. But especially if we talk about a particular city, then it will be known as proper noun. Then tiger, as an animal, we can say it is a common noun. Okay. Now let us see what is a proper noun. The proper nouns are the special names. The special names of people, places, animals, things or objects, ideas and events. Okay, here we have talked about emotions also and we can talk about events also. Proper nouns always begin with capital letter. This we have already studied in our previous classes, that all proper nouns start with capital letters. So that becomes very easy to identify whether the given noun is a common noun or proper noun. जो भी प्रॉपर नाउन्स होंगे वो कैपिटल लेटर से ही स्टार्ट होंगे. ओके, सो लेट अस सी एग्जांपल्स में. देखिए यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिया है, डे. डे इज अ कॉमन नाउन, बट एज आई सेड इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर डे, से फॉर संडे, it will be a proper noun. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all the names of days will be proper nouns. Now here I had taken common noun as horse. If we give a special name to a horse, say Badal. So Badal will be a special name for horse. Horse is common noun, Badal is proper noun. Then computers, as I said, it is common noun, but if we give a name to a computer, say for example Apple. Apple or Dell are the names of computers, so they are proper nouns. And if we talk about apple in general, then it will be known as common noun. Clear? Now city, Mumbai or any other name of city also we can write here. Now here you can see tiger is written in common noun also and in proper noun also. So what is the reason behind it? Here we are talking about all the tigers. Okay, in common, in general. So it is included in common noun. But here we have given a special name to somebody or to some animal. Say for example, if I have a pet dog, I can give him a name tiger. So if my pet dog is called by tiger name, tiger will become a special name, so it will be known as a proper noun. Can you guess one more person whose name is Tiger? It is a famous actor. Yes, Tiger Shroff. So it is special name given to an actor. So again we can say tiger is included in proper noun also. Let us talk about some ideas. Ideas are our feelings, abstract noun. It is hope, beauty, wisdom, success, and many more such things can be included in ideas. And if we talk about events as proper nouns, World War I, World War II, World War III, all these are some or the other events with some great results, big results. So these are included in events. Similarly, the War of Independence, freedom fight for the independence of India, that is also a big event in our lives. So that is also included as proper noun in events. Now let's see one exercise in which on one side we have written common nouns and on the other side the proper nouns for such common nouns. See, for example, rivers may be Nile, Ganga, and many more names can be there. Cartoon characters are Doraemon, Mickey Mouse, etc. Names of books, if we see, The Little Prince, The Jungle Book, and many such names you can write. Then names of novels, Black Beauty, The Witches, etc. Names of writers or authors. Proper nouns for writers or authors are Anna Sewell, Roald Dahl, etc. Then monuments, which are also known as historical buildings. Proper nouns are Red Fort, Charminar, etc. Names of festivals, if we see, Diwali, Christmas, and we are blessed with many festivals in India. Then names of movies, the famous movies, Three Idiots, Spa, etc. can be written in proper nouns. Names of newspapers, the Hindustan Times. Here H is also capital because it is proper noun for a country. Okay. So the Hindustan Times and the Times of India. Again, in India we will write down capital letter because it is also a name of country. Then if we see ideas, ideas are peace, health, honesty. Few more examples I already gave you when I was explaining common and proper nouns. So this was all about common and proper nouns, that is the types of nouns. Let us continue with our second chapter, singular and plural nouns. Nouns can be singular or plural depending on the number of people, places, animals or things they name. We can identify the nouns from the number, whether it is singular or plural. Now what is this singular and plural? Let us see. Singular nouns, it means one person, animal, place or thing. When we consider only one person, or when we are talking about only one animal, one place or any single thing, we call it singular noun. Singular comes from the word single. Single means one. For example, a box. A stands for one. A box means one box. A horse means one horse. A shop, a boy, etc. There may be many such examples. Now let us see plural noun. What is a plural noun? It means more than one. Plural means more than one. When we talk about persons, place, animals or things, that means more than one person, animals, places or things are known as plural nouns. Say for example, box is singular, plural will be boxes. A horse, singular, plural will be horses. Shop, shops. Boy, boys, etc. Now there are some rules how to change a singular noun to plural. So now we will see some of such rules. Now let us see the rules to change from singular to plural nouns. Our first rule is add s at the end of some nouns to make them plural. There are some nouns which can be easily converted from singular to plural just by adding one s at the end. For example, stick, sticks, rose, roses. We call it roses, but e is already there at the end. We have added only one s at the end. Second rule is, if the noun ends in a hissing sound such as s, double s, sh, ch and x. Okay, they all give hissing sound at the end of the word. These words can be converted from singular to plural by adding es at the end of the word. Okay, for example, bus, buses, dress, dresses, bush, bushes, peach, peaches, box, boxes. You can see I have underlined es at the end of every word for making it plural from singular. But there is one exception. If ch at the end of a noun sounds as k, not as ch, as in peach. If it is peach, ch sounds ch, we have to add es. But if it sounds as k, then we need to add only s at the end of the word. For example, stomach. Here it is, ch is not ch, but it sounds like k, stomach. So we have to convert this word from singular to plural by adding only one s. So stomach, plural will be stomachs. Okay. Now our next rule is, if the noun ends in y and the letter before the y is a vowel. Now what are vowels? You know very well, a, e, I, o and u are known as vowels. So if there is a vowel before y in any word, then just we have to add s at the end of that word. For example, key. We can see it ends in y, but there is a vowel before y. E is a vowel. Okay. So we have to add only s at the end of the word. So key, keys. Similarly, toy, toys. Here also y is preceded with the vowel o. So we have to add only s at the end to make it plural. Is that clear to all of you? Good. Our fourth rule is, if the noun ends in y and the letter before the y is a consonant. Before that what we have seen? The word should be a vowel. Now what are consonants? The remaining 21 letters of the English alphabet except vowels. 5 vowels a, e, I, o, u को हटाकर बाकी जितने 21 अल्फ़ाबेट्स बचते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? कॉन्सोनेंट्स. तो अगर y के पहले वाला लेटर कॉन्सोनेंट है, देन चेंज द y टू I. y की जगह पर हम क्या लगाएंगे? I एंड एड es. एंड में क्या लगाना है? सिर्फ es. लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल्स. बेबी, babies. What is here? Y at the end, and it is preceded by a consonant. B is a consonant. So after B, in place of Y, we have to replace Y with I and add es at the end. Similarly, in next word also, lily, ending with Y, preceded with a consonant letter. So Y will be converted to I and add es to make it plural. So lily, lilies. Next rule is, for most nouns that end in f or fe, change the f or fe to v and add es. क्या करना है? अगर कोई वर्ड f या fe पर खत्म हो रहा है तो f और fv को हटाकर v लगाना है and add es after v. For example, loaf, last letter is f. तो f को हटाकर हमें क्या करना है? V and add ES. So loaf will become loaves when it is converted to plural. Then knife, knives. F की जगह क्या किया हमने? V लगाया and ES. F and FE दोनों लेटर्स की जगह पर हमें एक ही लेटर लगाना है E and add ES to make it plural. But there are some nouns that don't follow this rule. जैसे स्कूल में कुछ स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं ना, स्कूल के रूल्स फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, ऐसे ही यहाँ पे कुछ शरारती वर्ड्स भी हैं जो रूल्स फॉलो नहीं करते हैं और बाहर चले जाते हैं रूल्स के सर्कल से. सो सच वर्ड्स आर चीफ, चीफ्स. हियर यू कैन सी द वर्ड इज एंडिंग एट F, बट F is not converted to V, neither ES is added. F सेम रहा F जैसा ही और पीछे सिर्फ S वर्ड, S लेटर हमने ऐड किया है. चीफ, चीफ्स. सेफ, FE, the word is ending in FE, but FE is not changed to V, rather FE remains the same and only S is added at the end. Roof, roofs. Proof, proofs, and cliff, cliffs. Okay, without following the above rule, the words are converted to plural only by adding letter S at the end of the word. Our next rule is the plurals of some nouns are formed by changing one or more vowels in them. Okay, there are some words in which vowels are there in the middle of the word. So we have to change that vowel to make it plural. We don't have to add any S or ES at the end. Rather, we have to change the vowel. For example, man, M-A-N, man. You can see this vowel here. Here the vowel is converted from A to E. So word becomes men. Singular is man, plural is men. Then foot, feet. Double O is changed to double E. Foot, feet. Similarly, goose, geese. Remember children, we have to change the internal vowels, the inner vowels of the word. Last vowel we don't have to change. Okay? Goose, geese. Only these two O will be converted to two E's. Okay? So, once again we will repeat man, men, foot, feet, goose, geese. Now our seventh rule is there are some nouns that don't follow any rules while changing to plural, or we can say they change in irregular manner. मतलब अभी तक हमने जितने भी रूल्स पढ़े हैं उनमें से एक भी रूल इनके ऊपर एप्लीकेबल नहीं होता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल चाइल्ड, चिल्ड्रन, ऐसा कोई रूल हमने पढ़ा कि पीछे REN ऐड करो तो प्लूरल बनता है? नो. सो दिस इज इरेगुलर मैनर ऑफ चेंजिंग. अगेन ox, oxen, mouse, mice. The entire word gets changed here. So we can say they change in the irregular manner. Next rule is some singular nouns do not change their form when changed from singular to plural. It means what? कि ऐसे वर्ड्स जिनका फॉर्म चेंज ही नहीं होता, सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल बोथ वर्ड्स सेम ही होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डियर, डियर, शीप, शीप. इनमें कोई एस या ES पीछे ऐड नहीं होता. हम डियर का डियर्स या शीप का शीप्स कभी भी यूज नहीं कर सकते. डियर विल बी कन्वर्टेड टू डियर एंड शीप विल रिमेन sheep only. There is no change. Similarly, series will remain series only in singular and plural both. Now let us see our next rule, 9 number. Some nouns are always plural. इनका singular form होता ही नहीं है. Why? Because ये सब जो nouns हैं ये pairs में available होते हैं हमेशा. For example, scissors. Scissors क्या होती है? कैंची. उसके दो पार्ट्स होते हैं, पेयर में होती है ना, वो दो ब्लेड्स होते हैं हम कह सकते हैं. तो इट इज ऑलवेज यूज्ड इन प्लूरल फॉर्म. सिमिलरली ट्राउजर्स, ट्राउजर्स या पैंट्स, इनके भी हमारे पेयर होते हैं, 2 लेग्स का जो पेयर होता है उसको हम प्लूरल फॉर्म में यूज करेंगे ट्राउजर्स। शूज भी पेयर में ही अवेलेबल होते हैं एंड सिमिलरली क्लोथ्स का भी हम पेयर ही यूज करते हैं, शर्ट एंड पैंट टुगेदर, सो दे आर यूज इन प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑलवेज। एंड अवर लास्ट रूल इज नाउन्स एंडिंग इन ओ form their plurals by adding es at the end. Okay, if o is preceded by a consonant, क्या बोला है यहाँ पर कि ऐसे nouns जो o पे फिनिश होते हैं बट उनके लास्ट लेटर यानी ओ से पहले कोई कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर होना चाहिए, तो हम क्या करते हैं उसके एंड में ई एस ऐड कर देते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल टोमेटो, टोमेटो में लास्ट लेटर इज ओ प्रिसीडेड बाय अ कॉन्सोनेंट, ओके, सो इट विल बी रिटन एज टोमेटोज व्हेन कन्वर्टेड टू प्लूरल, ओके। सिमिलरली हियर वी कैन सी we have to add just s if o is preceded by a vowel letter, okay, or a vowel. For example, stereo, stereo last letter we can see it is o preceded by a vowel, so plural will be stereos, only we have to add s at the end because o is preceded by e, okay. But again, as I told you, some words are very naughty, they do not follow any rules. So here also the words like piano and photo, they don't follow the above rule. O is preceded by a consonant, but plural is formed only by adding s rather than adding es to it. So piano, pianos, photo, photos. O is preceded by a consonant sound, but not following the above rule, it is making plural by only adding s at the end, okay. So photo, photos, okay, without adding es to it. Children, at the end let us see this exercise of singulars and plurals. Our first word in singulars is woman, plural is known as women, okay, woman, women. Loaf, loaves, fish, fish, louse, lice, belief, beliefs, wife, wives, mosquito, mosquitoes, life, lives, tooth, teeth, radio, radios, echo, echoes, wolf, wolves, video, videos, fisherman is known as fishermen in plural, fisherman, fishermen. So I hope all these portions of noun chapter are clear to you. We will meet in our next session with remaining chapters of nouns. So till then, goodbye. Stay healthy and stay home.